how to buy Housecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of house. And now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 days ago and increased by 181,000% in the last 24 hours. So this token trending number 2 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Ethereum. Now first of all, what you need to do, just connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. I prefer to save the Phantom wallet because this token is under the Solana network. Now connect your Phantom wallet for that. Like if you don't see your token in the bottom, now go back to the token page on the screener. You can click it to copy the token like this. Now go back to Ethereum, click here and just token like this in the search bar. So this is our token. Click on our token, click on it again to be able to see it here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT or Solana. So after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see here. Now click on more info. Make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy House token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.